say things, but that's, I think, sure he's paranoid. Jesus.
Oh, my loudy loud.
To unlock rewards from brands like Rebel, Hoyts and more every day in May. T's and C's apply. Back to traffic on Nick's Hunter. Haley and Max in the morning. With these two together, anything can happen weekdays from 6. Haley and Max's.
What is this fucking idiot doing? For real, mate? You don't know what the fuck's going on, do you? What a fucking idiot. What an idiot with no helmet. Oh God. Yeah, you pull your fucking head in, mate.
Here's what the usual.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
$1,000 with that coming up after 8. That's after 8 o'clock this morning. That's exactly right. But coming up next, Josh, there's been a scam that's happened in San Diego that up until something that's happened on Facebook
Maybe they did
Marketplace.
lift your fucking car up a bit, mate.
Until I bought one of these.
Oh shit, not good.
My eyes. I can't see! I can't see!
It's a red light, you dumb. Yeah, you just fucking come out whenever you fucking.
Unbelievable.
MG3 order from 18990 Drive Away. In stock for immediate delivery.
Fuck it.
Amplify CBR News.
Oh, you ran in red. You're a fucking... I hit the code of fuckwit. Fuck! Do it!
Your recognised CBD for Eastling. Reports of a crash before Meadows and Camp Road eastbound before City Road. Some delays for the Westgate Freeway outbound from the Baltic passing Kingston Road. Visual car past the Peters Break If you're not sure, you can just check it with the $28 with Internet and
What a fucking comedy of fucking errors.
But do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Can't allow it to be fined, and so on. So, I ask him to authorize it, saying, and so on. So, I ask him to authorize it, saying, once more, it's 100 times more expensive than the fine would be. He says he doesn't care, and he'll authorize it. I say it needs to be investigated. Once more, he just says he'll authorize it. Now, for clarification, his bonus is reliant on late cases. Fewer late cases means more bonus. So I say, fine, sign here, and he does.
An expert on missile and drone technology.
Fuck!
It's a 5:45. Late Night Live, a research fellow at the Oslo Nuclear Project and an expert on missile and drone technology.
Fuck!
It's a 5:45. Late Night Live.
Jonathan Green with you. The UK goes...
Oh my god! No fucking entry, you exit, you fucking idiots!
And then vaporized on the spot.